Now, union of structures. As structure can be nested within another structure, a union can also be nested inside a union. So, nesting of union is possible. Not only this, there can be a union in a structure or a structure in a union. We'll give an example for that. Example of structure nested in a union. So, we have we have a structure here. We have a structure A, structure B. In this similar items we have given with different names. Now we have a union. In this union we have taken the structure A variable key and structure B variable as data. Now we have made a variable of this union, which is the string. Now we can assign the value like this, and if you print it, you get the proper values like this: 512, 512, 00, 32, 32, right? And as we just saw, one word I have to just say here, that when we are dealing with this string, first we have to go to the key. So string.key, and then we have to go inside this A to access the I or C. So see, string.key.I, string.data.j. So there are two levels of accessing being done. So there are two dot operators we need to use. Two dot operators.